What's up, my sunshine budgeters? It's your girl Ray Budget, and I'm back with another video. So today is Savings Challenge Mondays, which are my favorite videos because, that just means our savings challenges are getting a little bit richer. So without further ado, let's get right into this video because I'm not going to try to make it too long. Alright, so we'll start with the 100 envelope challenge this week, and we will be doing envelope number 10, which is, I really should start pulling these out earlier, but I'm probably not. So that's 11. 10, which is actually going to equal $20 because we're doing the double version. So $20. And goes back here. So guys, we are making some really good progress with this challenge because next year we're going to go hard and start doing some big numbers. And I wanted to get ahead because I was going to do this starting January, but I decided to go ahead and start it early, and I want to be done by the end of next year. So yeah, so I decided to get started early so I could just do one every week, hopefully. So for the 26 envelope challenge, which we're trying to finish this one before the end of the year, we will be doing 10 and 11, which is $20 and $22 because your girl is just all in with the double envelopes. So 11 is 22, so $22, and I'll be super excited to finish this. Also, if you don't know, I decided to start my own stationery business, and this weekend I have bought my own cutting machine. I ended up getting the Silhouette Portrait 4, so that's super exciting. So it should be here tomorrow, and I'll probably do an unboxing video of that. So for 10, we'll put 20 in. Okay, so 10. So that now means we have $134 saved in this challenge. Okay, and then for the Budget with Bryn's fall savings challenge, which I just call seasonal challenges because she does one every season, we'll be putting $30 in. And guys, guess what? We are done with this challenge. We finished the challenge, so I'm super excited. So we should have $250. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2, 20, 40, 50. $250. And guys, you already know where this is gonna go. This is gonna go to emergency fund. So let's go ahead and put that in there. So matter of fact, hold on, let me look. So we'll do 20, 20, and 10. So 200 is going to go into emergency fund. So so 200, so 20, so now it has 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 600, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2, 700, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77. So $777 is now in emergency fund. Then I'm going to add $20 into moving out. and I'll do the trackers after the video's over. Right, so 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 94, 450, 460, 470, 480, 485, 490, 495, 500, and we got $500 here. So you already know that means that we get to put we get to put a $500 placeholder in here into moving out. So there's that. Oh, and I need to make change for this, so let me go ahead and put this $10 in miscellaneous because I wanted to do $5.25 for each. So that now makes it $5.05 for moving out. So moving out now has $5.05. I'm gonna just write the number so I don't forget. 505. Okay, so apartment now is 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 93, 310, 315, 320, 310, 320, 330, 340, 345, 350, 400, 405, 410, 415, 420, 425, 430, 431, 32, 33, 34, 434. Alright, and lastly we will be adding $5 into our $1 savings challenge, and I will not be counting this at all. So there we go. So that is it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.